Good morning, everybody, and welcome to my class again. I'm very happy to have you here again. Okay, so today we're going to work on lesson number 7.7 on page 372. The lesson is about scale drawing. What is scale drawing for? Just imagine you wanted to draw a an image of the Statue of the Liberty in your notebook. Obviously, you're not gonna draw that big thing. You need to draw something smaller, but as real as possible. So then you use a scale drawing for that. Thinking on that, let's try to solve the first exercise on page 372. It says, using proportions to find unknown scale or length. The exercise is, the length of an object on a scale drawing is 5 centimeters. The drawing is 5 centimeters, and its actual size or length is 15 meters. So obviously the scale is 1 centimeter to how many meters? What is the scale? So the point here is to find that every centimeter in your drawing equals to how many meters in the actual length of the figure. So let's try to solve it by using this process. Right? Let's do it. If we know 1 centimeter equals to x meters, because this is the value that we don't know, but we know that our drawing is equal to 5 centimeter and the actual length of the figure is 15 meters. So you see, the idea is to match meters and meters, centimeters and centimeters. That's the main idea. So then once you have it, you need to do cross multiplication. So that will be 1 times, 1 times 15. It's obviously 15, right? Equals to cross multiplication for x times 5. So that will be 5x. And then you need to simplify for x. Obviously, in this case, is by dividing with 5. So then the division will obviously give you 3. So what happened with this? Let's try to understand the idea, the answer. The point is that for every 1 centimeter in our drawing, it represents 3 meters in the real figure. Okay, let's do the second one. It will be as simple as the first. It says, the length of an object on a scale drawing is 3.5 inches. The scale is 1 inch equals to 12 feet. What is the actual length of the object? In this case, you see it gives us different information with the same idea. 1 inch equal to 12 feet. In this case, we know the scale. Now, our drawing is 3.5 inches. The question is, what is the actual size of the figure? So then if we solve, again, by cross multiplication here, we will have a result of x equals 242, right? If you follow the process here. All right, the very same process we did with the first. It means that the actual size of the object is equal to 42 feet. We can continue with the third and last. It says, if a wall is 1/14 inch scale drawing in 3 inch tall, how tall is the actual wall? Okay, we have the scale. We need to find the actual size of the wall. So let's work on it. It says 0.25, because remember, 1/4, if you write it in your calculator and you need it as centimeters, is equal to this, right? I remember I taught you how to use your calculator to find a decimal from a fraction. So then it's 0.25 inches over 1 foot, I'm sorry. And that equals to 3 inches, and we need to find the actual size of the wall. Again, we only need to do cross multiplication. If you follow the process, it will give you 0.25 times x equals to 1 times 3. Then if you simplify the fraction, x equals to 12. So what is this answer? This answer is that the wall actual size, it's equal to 12 feet tall. I'll see you in the next class. Thank you for watching.